Are climate change and global warming the same? In a simple answer, no. But they are definitely connected. To understand global warming, we have to break down some other topics first. The main cause of global warming is the increase of concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere that has occurred since the Industrial Revolution. These greenhouse gases increased by humans' actions are CO2, CH4, N2O, hydrofluorocarbons or HFC, perfluorocarbons or PFC, nitrogen trifluoride or NF3, and sulfur hexafluoride or SF, also methane and synthetic aerosols. Each human activity emits greenhouse gases. The burning of fossil fuels produces mainly CO2. This can come from energy production and consumption and transport. Also, deforestation, because trees store huge amounts of CO2 and when they are cut, the CO2 goes back to the atmosphere. Agriculture, especially livestock, produces methane. Land use and land change, either CO2 because of deforestation or methane due to the use of forest for livestock land. Also, industrial processes. They produce mainly CO2 because of the fossil fuels that are burned for production. Waste production and management produces methane, being food waste the third biggest source of methane in the world. It is very important to highlight that CO2 is the most emitted greenhouse gas and the one that stays longer in the atmosphere, between 300 and 1,000 years. As a consequence of this increasement in gases that absorb and emit thermal radiation, more heat is retained in the atmosphere and consequently the global average surface temperature increases. That itself is global warming. The increase in temperature also has other impacts on the climate system. All of these impacts are referred to as anthropogenic climate change. Now you know, global warming is just one effect of climate change.